Yeah, hello and welcome to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mill, and in the following small presentation we would like to show you one of our cases of the month here made in our clinic. So thank you very much for watching and we hope you enjoy the video. Hello and welcome back to the second case of the month in November 2017. A case done as well by Gianluigi and myself, and I want to show you again how important a great dental technician is for our work as dentists. You can see here the initial situation. A dentist unfortunately pulled out the remaining tooth 1-1 and the permanent tooth 1-1, and orthodontically the tooth 1-2 has been put into position of 1-1, and yeah, rather bad than good. They tried to close the gap with composite filling. The patient of course was very unhappy with the situation and asked us to improve the situation. So what we planned was produce some connective tissue grafts and produce a new full ceramic crown in order to close the gap. What we thought might help the situation is an add-on veneer on the tooth 2-1, because you can see mesially he's a little bit like a triangular shape, and we will have later on a black hole there, black gap disease, if we don't close that. And of course the gap from the mesial edge of the canine to the mesial edge of tooth 2-1 is too wide to have symmetrical teeth. So whenever you want to really restore front teeth, you have to make sure that the front teeth are completely symmetrical. So what we did is just impression upper jaw, lower jaw, and produce the wax up, and then just did the connective tissue grafts and temporary, let the situation heal for 2 months, and then took the impression. Here there's the situation with the temporary. You can see a small scar. This is not from us, but from the missing tooth, from the missing permanent tooth 1-1, which the patient didn't mind to have. We could have placed another connective tissue graft to stop that and cut maybe a little bit and sutures back together, but the patient was fine with that, so we left it as it is. So of course we took the color, prepared the tooth, took the impression, and then it was a work of the dental technician. You can see here already the final work. We placed, like I said, the 2 add-on veneers on 1-1 and the canine, both mesially, and a new full ceramic crown on 1-1. You can see here the final situation. The teeth are very symmetrical, length is okay, shape's okay, texture's okay, and the shape, color, the 1-1 might be a tiny bit too dark, but for the patient the situation was completely okay, and this was as well directly after placement, so all the rest of the teeth were naturally a little bit lighter than the full ceramic new crown. You can see here the close-up, texture, everything okay, and the another picture with a pole filter, so you remove all the reflection of the teeth, and you can see that we quite rightly hit it spot on, and it might be a tiny bit too dark, but I think for us and the patient satisfiable situation. We always take some pictures from the sides as well, just to check if the texture really matches the neighboring teeth. And of course, as you can see here in the picture, we could have polished the add-on veneer on the canine a little bit better, but overall, for the patient, a very good situation. Of course, our job's not done when we place a crown. We need to protect our restoration. That's why in this case, when we can see the patient is really grinding his teeth a little bit, we always try to protect the remaining dentition and our restoration with a Michigan night guard. You can see here the initial situation on the left side and the finish on the right side, and the situation completely satisfying for the patient. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that case.